What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I want to show you guys how I have my rig set up for my Blackmagic 6K Pro. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Well, first I want to say I recently purchased the Blackmagic 6K Pro a couple of months back, and even though you can still shoot on it without having it all rigged up, I find it very simple and easy to have it rigged up, and I'm pretty sure anyone that owns a Blackmagic could agree with me. Alright, so first thing first is the cage itself. This cage is feel nice in the hand, it's super well built, and this cage is from Small Rig. And moving on to the next is the top handle, also from Small Rig. For my monitor, I have a Ninja Atomos Ninja V from atomos.com, and I also attached an Atomos Ninja V cage as well. Alright, next I have the Small Rig Mini matte box, which I attached to my lens. And next is the Small Rig swivel attachment that connects from the monitor to the top handle. Next I have the full HDMI cord. I believe the brand is Condor Blue, which is and moving on to the last piece, which is the side handle, which is also from Small Rig. And I like this side handle a lot because first it rotates, so you can rotate it in any direction that you prefer, and as well it feels nice, really nice and sturdy in your hand. Oh, and one thing I almost forgot is, so I use a Samsung T5 SSD drive, hard drive, for storage for when I'm recording on a Blackmagic. I'm usually recording externally on my monitor, but I have this one. I have this just in case. And that's really it, guys. I just wanted to make a little quick video and show you guys how I have my rig set up on my Blackmagic. And also make sure you don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video.